How to turn off vanish mode on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you on how you can turn off vanish mode on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you'd like to turn off vanish mode on Instagram, let's say that you open the Instagram application over here and then you go to your DMs page and then you just turn on vanish mode for any person over here. So to turn on vanish mode, you just swipe up like this and now you have turned on vanish mode, right? So what do you do now if you want to turn off vanish mode? Well, you just repeat the same steps. Just swipe up like this and vanish mode will get turned off. Now what you can do is when you swipe up, you can also actually go to the profile over here and then just try to turn off vanish mode in that way. Otherwise you can just swipe up until you see a white screen, and this means the vanish mode has been disabled. This way you can turn off vanish mode on Instagram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.